Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, heated seats, front and rear air conditioning, a roof rack, and leather upholstery. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.